package. Okay, let's open it. Okay, I have this. So this is the what's included inside. We have the manual as well. What's this? Okay, I don't know what this is, but we'll figure it out. God. Yeah, manual. Okay. Wow. Okay, first let's look at this. What is this? So this looks like the mop. Looks like the mop that comes with it. So 2 spare mop comes with vacuum, and then. Okay. Right. So that is the docking station, and yeah, this is it. Let's test it out. Okay, this looks really good, solid, big. The old one I have doesn't work. It only vacuums. So actually, as you can see, it's really small. Yeah. So this is. I'm so happy to get the new one compared to the old one. So yeah, let's test it out. Let's see how it does. So this is everything we have that comes as part of the package, and also we have anti-odor element technology as well. So this helps with smell, especially if you have pets, if you have if you want the house to smell nice. This comes with it as well. Nice. This is not a paid promotion; it's an honest review of the product.